When choosing a promotional hand fan, consider the right materials, size, and shape. Our promotional hand fans come in these main material options. Paper panel fans. Bamboo ribs provide a lightweight yet sturdy folding frame at 21 centimeters closed. Come in one-sided or delicate double-sided styles. Cloth panel fans. Soft, durable cloth folding fans with bamboo ribs, 21 centimeters closed. Conveniently compact shape. Fabric panel fans. Wooden rib fans have a European style with natural grain beauty, 23 centimeters closed. Fold into a neat shape. Plastic rib fans. Lightweight, water-resistant plastic ribs make these fabric fans ideal for festivals and giveaways, 23 centimeters closed. The folding fan shape expands outwards. These make great customized corporate gifts and giveaways for events, hotels, restaurants, and more. We provide artwork guidelines to ensure your designs translate accurately onto the promotional hand fan panel. With many options, we can help select and customize the right promotional hand fan. Our artisans handcraft each using traditional techniques.